Welcome to class 8 mathematics. Today I am going to continue chapter 3 squares and square roots, and the today's class is to find the square root by long division method. So I am going to teach you how to find the square root by long division method. Let's see. We need to find the square root of 33856 by long division method. See, first you draw a format like this T-type, T-shape format. Now write the number to find below this line here 3, 3, 8, 5, 6. Now make the pair from the right side, that is unit digit. Make pairs from unit digit, pair of 2. Suppose I am making the pair 56, 38 and 3 is left without pair. So this is the pairing. Now what we see, there are two periods, 1, 2, and this is also the third period, but it is a single digit. So first we will divide 3. So how we will divide? We find the square which is nearest to 3 but not greater than 3. It should be near to 3 but not greater than 3. So I know that 1 ones are 1, but if we use 2 twos are, then it will become 4, which is greater than 3. We cannot take number greater than this. So 1 ones are 1, subtract this, you get 2. Quotient must be written at this position, and this is the divisor. Now whatever quotient you get here must be added here also. So now it becomes 2. Leave a space of at least 1 or 2 digit here. Now bring down this 2 at a time, means one period is brought down at a time. We cannot bring down 3. We have to bring down pair together here. Now 238, you get a new dividend 238. This 238 must be divided with a number which is a square of, so which is a square which is near to the 238. So we will use this portion to make the rough. So 2, this 2 number, and first the shortcut is here that we should first find 23. Look at 23 and find the table in which it comes, 23. So 21 ones are 21, 2s are, so let's see, it is 5s are 25, 5s are, it becomes 5 5s are 25, 5 to the 10 and 2 12, 2 125. So it is much smaller. So next let's see, 2 7s are, 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, 7 to the 14 and 4 18. It is also much less than 238. Next number, let's see, 2 9s are 9, 9 9s are 81, 8 9 to the 18 and 8 26. It is greater than this, so we'll take 8 times, because 2 is multiplied with 8. Not only 2, this 8 will come here also, and actually we multiply 28 with 8. So 8 8s are 64, 6 carry, 8 to the 16 and 6 is 22. So this number is actually near to the 238. So we should write 224, this number here, and the divisor, that is, it becomes 28, and the quotient is 8 here. Now one thing more, I told you whatever you write here as a quotient must be added here also. So 8 plus 8 16, and 1 carry 3 36, it becomes 36. Now subtract this one, 8 minus 4 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1. The remainder is 14. Now you have to take the another period 56 here. The new dividend is 1456 and the divisor will be 36 and one more digit must be here. So let's see. Table of 36, 3, we should judge in shortcut way where how to get the number near to 1456. So 3 3s are 9, it is 3 4s are 12. So 3 4 times comes near to the 14. So I will try with the 4. 3 4s are 12. The 4 4s are 16. Whatever we multiply 36 with 4, if you multiply 36 with 4, this 4 must come here also, means it must become divisor also. So 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24, 25, carry 2, 4 3 are 12 and 2, 14. 1 4 5 6, exact number we get. So it's 4 times, write 4 here also, and whatever you write here must be added here too. So the answer is 1 4 5 6. Subtract it, you get 0, means the division is over. So the answer is 184. 184 is the square root of 33856. Now another question I would like to give you, one more question. Let's see one more question of finding square root by long division method. Here too we will follow the same, it has the same procedure. Make a format like this, T type, write this number here 105625, make pair from the last digit, that is ones digit, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. You can call these as period. Now you have got 3 periods, 10, 56, 23. So you must divide the first period 10 with a number of which is multiplied with itself, gives you a number which is near to the 10. So let's see, 3 3s are 9. We know that 9 comes very near to 10. Now subtract it, you get 1. Now bring down this to 56, one period, second period here. Now I told you whatever you write in the quotient must be added here too. So it becomes 6. Now you should find a number which is which divides 15 with the 6. So I know that 6 2s are 12. So I use 6 2s are the 2. If you multiply 6 with 2, it will actually will multiply 62 with 2. The 2 will come here also. So 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. 124 is near to 156. If I multiply 6 with 3, then it will be 6 3 3 are 9, 6 3 are 18. It is greater than 156. So we cannot take this one. I will have to take this 124. So 6 2s are. Write the answer quotient here. 62 2s are 124. Subtract it. 2 3. Now I told you whatever you write in the quotient must be added here too. It becomes 4 and 6. Now take down the another period 25 here. Now the new dividend is 3225 and the divisor is 6 4 and one more digit will come here. So let's see, find the number at which 32 is divisible with 6. So 6 5s are 30. In the table of 6, 32 comes near 5 times. So 6 4 5s are 64 5s are. So if I multiply 64 with 5, the 5 will also come to the divisor. It will also become a divisor. So 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 4s are 20 and 2, 22. 5 6 are 30 and 2, 32. We see that it is exactly divisible by 5. So 5 will come here. 645. Subtract it. it becomes 0, remainder is 0. Here we'll add whatever you write here must be added here also. You get 0, 5, 6. This is the solution. 325 is the answer. 325 is the square root of 105625. This is the method to find the square root of a number by long division method. So so in the next video I'll explain this method again in more again, so that you get it more better, and I will solve some more questions regarding this. So today this much is over now. This is the long division method.